Welcome to Health Series Part 5 World Diabetics Day. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel A to Z IVG. For all human beings to do any work, say lifting a load, playing a game, or any job on daily basis, we need energy. This energy comes from the food we take in. The food we take mixes with acids and enzymes in stomach. When it gets digested, carbohydrates in food are converted into glucose and goes into blood. A part of this is used for the growth of cells in our body, and the rest is used to do any work by our body. For the blood glucose to reach all parts of the body, insulin acts as a catalyst. Insulin is a hormone released from pancreas and it plays a major role. If a person don't take food, glucose levels in blood goes down, and the other way, if a person takes food and doesn't have any physical work to do, here the sugar levels in blood will be going high. Normal sugar levels on fasting is 80 to 140 mg per dl and on food 170 to 200 mg per dl. Overall blood sugar levels go on changing in a day. Sugar levels are high in blood and insulin reduces the sugar level in blood to maximum extent. If the insulin being produced is insufficient to compensate for all the glucose, extra glucose stays back in blood. This state of our body is known as diabetes. It is not a disease. It may last long in our lives. There are three types of diabetes. First one is type 1 diabetes. This state is seen in people where insulin is not at all generated. Mostly it is hereditary. For this, insulin is supplemented in form of tablets or injections. Till 1921, diabetes is considered as dangerous disease and insulin to supplement was not there. Many people used to die. If insulin is not given for a type 1 diabetic patient, he may die within few hours. Here we must thank Mr. G. Banting and team who have contributed for the discovery of insulin in 1921. Otherwise, we must be struggling till now. Now the type 2 diabetes, second one. In this case, insufficient insulin generation or resistance of the body condition to insulin are the main reasons. In India, normally 1 crore cases are recorded. Here, diagnosis by doctor, you can bring down sugar level to normal, and if you are not careful, it may recur. This may be due to genetic influence of environment, overweight, or less physical work. Third type is gestational diabetes. This is mainly seen in pregnant ladies. Yearly 10 lakh cases are recorded annually in India. Once a baby is delivered, sugar levels in blood of that lady becomes normal, but they have to go for blood sugar level tests annually. There is always a threat for that lady to catch diabetes in later part of her life. Pregnant ladies who are having gestational diabetes may catch type 2 diabetes in later years. We cannot completely eliminate or stop diabetes in our body. It is a state of our body. A diabetic person can bring back his blood sugar levels to normal state by following certain changes in lifestyle and consistent usage of medicines. And once after bringing the blood sugar levels to normal, if he is not careful and not following the said practices, he may face the problems in heart, kidney, and vision problems. Hence, everyone should be careful enough and at above 40 years, all should get blood sugar level checked frequently, say quarterly. And checking your blood sugar levels, A to Z IVG Rao channel suggests a system called TRACK. Remember TRACK. T for track your medication, use your medicines at regular times, and follow a scheduled time for food also. This will help you in long run. Then R is for reach. Reach your targeted weight. Add a exercise in your daily schedule. Yoga, cycling, gaming, and walking. Walking is the best for any health problem. And thirdly, control your ABC. This is ABC is A1C blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. And finally, kick smoking out of your life. This is the only way to control the blood sugar levels. And on this day of World Diabetics Day, let us all salute to the father of insulin, G. Banting. Subscribe and share our channel A to Z IVG Rao. Thank you for watching.